John is 71 with a history of cardiac arrest and mild dementia and has to see his heart specialist regularly. However, as he suffers from mild dementia, he often forgets when exactly his scheduled appointments are and has missed his appointment on more than one occasion. His doctor then suggests him to download the newly launched Elder Helper application, which is built for elderly people like him so that they can better manage their healthcare. After John downloads the application on his smartphone, he is asked to choose his language of preference. He selects English, upon which he is redirected to login with his Elder Helper account so that his medical information can be quickly and easily obtained. He logs in, upon which the app shows him how to use one of its more important features, the emergency button. After a quick tutorial on how to use the emergency button, the home page appears. John first uses the doctor's appointment feature to input the date, time, and location for his next appointment, so he will not forget it. Upon confirming it, he then is able to view his doctor's appointments. If he wishes to, he can choose a particular appointment to edit it or delete it off the schedule. This feature will notify him whenever there is an upcoming appointment with an alarm 48, 24, and 2 hours before the appointment, such that he does not miss any more appointments. At the end of each day, Elder Helper prompts John to confirm whether he has attended the appointment, and if he missed the appointment, he can instantly reschedule a new appointment. After seeing that the doctor has prescribed him multiple new medications, John realizes that due to his dementia and bad memory, he often forgets to take his medication, exacerbating his heart condition. He decides that he should then input his new medication that the doctor prescribed. He uses the medication reminders feature to add his medication. He then takes out his crocine and snaps its picture. He inputs its name, dosage, the timings at which he is supposed to take the medicine, and the duration of medication. He repeats this for the rest of his medication. He goes back to view his medications and realizes that he inputted one of the medicine's name incorrectly. He taps on the medicine in the list. He is brought to a page where he can view the medicine information for easy reference and edit or delete it. John proceeds to change the name of the medicine. John rests assured that Elder Helper will help notify him whenever he is due to take medicine from now on. Once he has finished the course of medication, Elder Helper will prompt him to either remove the medication or add duration to his course of medication. Each time John visits a new doctor, he has to retrieve all his old medical documents from his old appointments, some many years ago, as well as recount his entire medical history to the new doctor, for them to have a detailed understanding of his state of health and past conditions. Since he does not have any family members to help him with this, it is a great hassle to do the above, and he often misses out important points as a result of his poor memory. John recalls his doctor mentioning a feature in the Elder Helper app that can help him with this. John easily navigates to the medical documents submenu and proceeds to add all of his documents by scanning them with his camera. He is able to categorize the documents by the medical condition it pertains to. High resolution documents that cannot be scanned with a mobile phone camera, for example, X rays and MRI scans, are digitized and automatically sent to his Elder Helper account by the clinic. If he wishes to, he is able to view a particular document from the viewing list and share it as a PDF for his doctor to reference. John is now very happy because he no longer has to lug his cumbersome medical folder around when going to the doctor. He just needs to carry his smartphone when he goes to the doctor and doesn't need to worry about damaging or losing the medical documents. One day after having his lunch, John starts to feel faint and then feels a sudden sharp pain in his chest and collapses. He remembers that if he holds both the volume buttons on his phone simultaneously for 3 seconds, the Elder Helper app initializes and the emergency page is opened. Emergency services are immediately notified, and the app sends out a GPS ping that is sent to the ambulance. The ambulance arrives promptly in 10 minutes, and the healthcare personnel quickly administer first aid on John before rushing him to the hospital.